After a long and stressful day in the hospital, I stopped for a moment on the roadside, and what I saw truly refreshed my soul. A whole flock of crows, maybe 30 or 40 of them, had gathered here, not to quarrel, not to scavenge, but simply, to bathe. Splashing together in the cool water, taking turns, flying up and circling back again, like children at play. For a few minutes, time slowed down. The noise of the world faded, and all that remained was the rhythm of wings and water. Sometimes, peace finds us in the most unexpected places. And today, it came to me in the form of crows by the roadside.